Lucky block. 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 Tung 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 sahur.
So this is up to date, right? Mostly. At my last job, we use this tool called Scribe for onboarding. Honestly, it makes everything so much easier. Scribe, what's that? It's a tool that
is coming to LA.
10th, February 10th.
February 10th.
Ooh, just in
that's when I
time
move in, bro.
for a kiss.
Oh, or a few.
Well, Valentine's, so yeah,
Yeah.
obviously.
Wait, Steak, how many weeks are we going for?
Oh, however long I want.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, because I got to figure out my return.
Tony
flight.
missed out today. Yeah, he's not. Tony
You can
Tony
go-
literally forgot, bro.
You can leave whenever you want.
My best friend is in the hospital.
What is that?
Someone stole. Which way to go? Which way to go? Which way?
Trying the most. I live.
Here's how we stay safe at the beach.
We'll see about that. Not so safe now, are you?
As women.
Oh. Whoops.
Always do this.
Well, that didn't work. Relax. You're going to break the glass. Well, that didn't work. Relax. You're going to break the glass. Goodness me. Why is she telling me to be quiet? Is she okay? Who's there? Like, it's like she shouldn't be making this coffee. What was that doing in there? What was that doing? Is that caramel? I think you forgot the caramel. No, she clearly didn't. Caramel, I think you forgot the caramel. What is going on? Caramel. Now look what you did. Caramel. How have you spilt caramel? It's like the thickest liquid in the world. Is that it?
Let's make my morning coffee.
Oh, she can't open it. Never mind, time to eat my words. Okay. Oh. Why are we pouring it into a separate cup? Like it's milk, not uranium. Oh, that's why we're going to stir it. Wee. Jesus Christ. Why is she so scared? Is she making this in a public bathroom? No, she didn't. Oh my god, she's proper shook, isn't she? Can we carry on? She looks in pain. Is this coffee even worth it? I feel like we're on the brink of survival here. You get my approval. We got a big enough straw. The turtles are screaming with that one. Jesus. Someone's trying to get in. I'd be fuming if I found out I was waiting 10 minutes for the cubicle because they were making a nice coffee in there. Like, they're going with nothing and then they come out with a nice caramel macchiato.
Someone stole my
If it's important, it's not worth compromising, which is why with farmers, you don't have to compromise quality to get great savings on your.
That is pretty cool. Law Supreme. Oh, the Law Supreme is so cool. Oh!
Really? Oh no!
He spawned a
One time
meow.
my PC broke. I was 4 hours late.
He spawned a meow just for me. Thank you, Sam.
Bro's trolling us.
He's giving me.
He's definitely trolling.
Wait, that's your fave. Strawberry Meow is my favorite looking brainrot, he said. Yeah, and he's giving it to me. W, Sammy.
No, he's not. He's not giving it to you.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate you.
Yo, Steak, just give me one, bro.
See, I stay in the game with him. Meanwhile, you guys go out and do your own thing. See, that's why he likes me
Well,
the
we're
best.
in the game.
We're playing his game, bro.
Oh no,
You're
no! It went into the
Bro.
tunnel. It went into the
Oh.
tunnel. No.
Freaks
No,
tongue tongue.
Tyler,
This is your
follow
tongue
along.
tongue, bro.
Yeah, Creek.
You better not lose my tongue cone.
Sammy's favorite brainrot is the meow. Good to know.
And
Good to know. Okay, wait. Chat, what do you want to see? I want to see what's like the rarest thing? What's like a really cool thing, bro? What's something that we have not seen before? Like a cursed can you oh my god, what the heck? How do I get out of this? No! I'm stuck. Sammy, do a cursed what's the brainer? I'm stuck in this stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. How do I fix this, Sammy? How do I fix this? How do I fix this? I'm stuck in the thing. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's doing every mutation. No. He's doing every mutation. No. This is not the time. This is not the time, Sammy. I can't. Turn on shift lock. Oh, yeah, you're probably right. That probably could have worked. Okay, I'm back. Wait. Sammy. Okay, wait. I want to see a cursed. Ooh, cursed Swaggy Bros. We have not seen that. I don't think anyone's seen that. Cursed Swaggy Bros would be really cool. Or a Curseless Supreme combination. Oh, Sammy, do those. That would be cool. Do those. Cursed La Supreme. Cursed La Supreme would be sick, bro.
No.
No way! That was an inch away! That was an inch away! Oh my god.
And I remain undefeated.
Oh, you got
Cruz, I have a
the
question.
strawberry.
Tim Cheese or strawberry elephant? Ooh. I'd say Tim Cheese.
So, Creek, you know exactly what I'm going to do with your little precious tongue, right?
What are you gonna do to my tongue cone?
Oh, I'm gonna kill
Can
him.
you give me a
No.
Cursed La Supreme? Guys, he's showing us
Wait,
cool
are you
things.
actually getting
Ask him to
stuff for
spawn
free?
some cool stuff like yeah.
Ask him to spawn the rarest things.
Like a Cursed La Supreme. No one's ever
Please
seen what
spawn
that
the
looks like. I just want to
crocodildo,
see what it
bro.
looks
That's
like.
my favorite.
All right.
Wait, is this still in the game files? No way.
That is literally my favorite brain rot, bro.
Bro,
Well, me
we
and
actually
JC,
never
bro.
got to see what that looked like.
Me and Jinxie did the Croco ritual, bro. Did you see?
You and Jinxie?
Yeah, we did the Croco Dealio.
Why don't you get
ritual.
Jinxie in here?
Oh my god.
Oh, there it is, the La
Whoa!
Supreme curse.
Oh.
Nah,
I got it,
you,
guys.
you guys got to be
That's
respectful.
sick.
You
Oh,
guys got to be
no.
respectful. Stop taking
Wait, did
it.
Jinxie actually just joined?
Stop taking
here,
it. Be
boys.
respectful.
Bro.
Tony
Oh,
Cheeks
what up,
is
Jinxie?
live.
Bro, it's
What?
like
I'm not-
5 hours
You are
late,
so
bro.
late, bro. Be respectful. Don't take
Oh,
it.
strawberry.
Don't take it. Be
Wait, what?
respectful.
You missed
What server are you guys in?
everything.
Click the link that I sent in the chat.
Caleb's
What happened?
server.
Be respectful. Don't take
This
it.
one.
That is so cool.
Um,
Strawberry lost.
Wait,
my-
what did I
Cohen-
miss?
The Cohen wants to join.
You,
We all quit Still a Brain Rot
you,
and played Rivals.
we played
for 3
Rivals and had a
hours.
15
Like an
win
hour.
streak.
Really?
15 win
lose.
streak.
We
We
won
played
every
12 games in a row.
everyone.
Oh, that's sick, bro. Headless Horseman cursed.
Dang,
Get in
that's
here,
actually
Tony,
fire.
quick.
I don't have the
I'm
link.
in. I'm right here.
Headless
What's up?
Horseman cursed. Look.
Wait,
Guys,
what?
I'm hacking him. Get it now. Get him now.
Oh.
No,
Nice.
wait,
Can't be
You have to be
this.
respectful,
No,
bro.
sorry.
Be
Greek,
respectful.
I got banned one time 'cause
Let
I
it
got
walk
one
down the
banned off
carpet.
Spawn.
Bro said you
Really?
gotta be respectful.
Look. Be respectful. Be
Wait, have you
respectful.
guys
Oh,
seen the
that's
taco?
ugly.
Just let it walk down, bro.
Wait. Sammy.
1.6
If you
billion.
wait, Sammy, I got a deal.
That's
Listen,
crazy.
listen.
All
Oh
right.
my gosh.
She just sent me to the moon.
If
Wait, what'd
I
Steak say?
put up my strawberry
whoa.
syrup
what's happening?
and strawberry cookie and milky,
You're gonna put them
can
both up?
I have headless in a duel? 2 for 1. That's a crazy.
What?
That's a good
That
deal,
is
bro.
risky. I'm not gonna lie. That is risky. Hey, let's get off my.
Just-
Oh,
He
he's deleted them.
just
You just deleted them.
He just
Wow.
Wait, what happened?
Sammy,
What I missed?
bro,
He said, "What
He
you
said
put?"
Up.
Oh, Sammy, you're so scared of me, bro. Come on, bro. Just face me.
Dang.
Dang,
Face
bro.
me. Come on. 2.
Wait, I want to face
for
somebody in
1.
duels.
Fulton,
good
I got
deal,
you,
bro.
bro.
Wait, I'll fight you for. Oh, okay.
Come on.
Yeah, yeah,
All right,
yeah.
come on, Kay. Let's duel me right now. Come on.
Tony,
I
you
don't- I
can't
don't
just
think I
come
have
in here
anything
all hot
crazy.
20 minutes before the update, all right, little guy? We've been here grinding. We've
You
been
come
here
in here all hot.
grinding. We've been here for 6 hours, bro. Come on.
Beat me for 6? Damn.
I'll
6
actually
hours?
Sell them.
I'm just kidding.
beat
I'm just
me.
kidding. 3 hours. 3
I'll
hours.
I was
sell
about to
them,
say
bro.
6 hours is insane. All right.
3
Fat
hours.
Medusa, what are you
Spawn it
putting
back.
up?
You spawned it back.
I don't know, little bro. By the way, there's a
What you
taco
putting out,
base,
little
Tony.
bro?
There's a taco base, so we're collecting
Hey, I'm gonna be
taco
in
stuff.
LA soon. That's crazy. That's
Yeah, wait,
very
when are you
Wait,
going?
for what?